Hello, this is a brand new wall clock security camera, the small version. Yeah, we got two versions of the small clock. One is the Wi-Fi version and features as below, and one is the DVR version, features as below. Today I would like to introduce the Wi-Fi version operation. Let's open it. First, we got the quick guide for guiding you for a faster operation of the camera. It's very easy and useful. Then, the CD driver for watching the camera on PC. The wall clock menu, detailed menu for operation of the item. And there is another white box with some accessories, like the 3-meter longer USB cable for charging when recording, and the AC adapter. It is CE RoHS and UL approved, so very safe for long time use. Also, we got the wall hook. You can place the wall clock onto the wall by the hook. And the USB reader. It is for reading the data of the micro SD card that you insert into the camera. Now let's open the main camera unit. This is the back. You can take out the bracket. You can hang it on the wall, and also you can insert this for using on the table. Yeah. Also you can back to it. The camera, we use very good painting. If you see the sample, you will find it is very smart and nice painting. In the back, you find the NAND port for using the net cable for a fast connection of the network. And the micro SD card here, you can record the videos into the micro SD card. And the USB on off. Okay, then let's operate the camera. Yeah, camera lens is here, above the 12 point. First, we switch the camera to on. You will see the LED indicator. It will be turned off and restarting. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, you will find in your phone's Wi-Fi setting a Wi-Fi signal from the camera, and the camera name, the signal name is the same as the UID. It started with CM37. Let's wait. Let's wait for a while. Okay, we got the 37 signal. It's started with CM37, same as the UID showing here. Okay, let's click to connect. Okay, we need to wait till 4G becomes to a Wi-Fi symbol. Okay, we got the Wi-Fi symbol now. Then let's go to the Pro Icon app. Press the magnify glasses symbol. You see the device. It is started with CM37. Press. Then the camera is online. Just click. Okay, we need to check the password of the camera first. We change to 1, 2, 3, 4. Another change is 1, 2, 3, 4. Press OK. Then we go enter the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. It's live video. Yeah, this is the P2P mode. That means you just connect the camera with your phone. No need Wi-Fi. Now let's go to the Wi-Fi setting. Press the gear symbol of the camera. Click the device setting. Go to the Wi-Fi config and choose your local Wi-Fi. Choose your local Wi-Fi. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi. Press OK. Then the camera will be connected to your local Wi-Fi. When you press OK, the camera will be reboot. Yeah, the indicate will goes off and turn on again. After a while, the camera will be connected to your local Wi-Fi. Then you can check the live video from your phone. Let's wait for a while. The camera is in restarting. After a while, you will see the camera is online in this place. Okay, the camera is online now. Let's click to check. Yeah, that means the camera has been connected to Wi-Fi, and then you can see the live video. Yes, in a live video, you can take photo, take video. If with an Android phone, you can find the video in your phone directory of the app. If by the iPhone, you will need to connect your phone to iTunes, then you go to the directory of the app to download the video. Yeah, there is another very fast way for you to connect the camera online. That is to just turn on the camera and connect the net cable. Then the camera will be connected to your local network around 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. If there is anything abnormal of the item happen, you just find a need and go to the reset key. Just press the reset key here for 5 to 8 seconds until the LED turns off. Then it will be restarted and reboot to the factory default. Then everything of the item will be okay and ready again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.